So in this lecture, we're going to proceed to detailing of these structures. So the first thing I do is I open a template, the work that I've done before. I'll pass the drawing, I'll pass one of my template across to you. So let's say I want to use that template, I name structures. So I've opened it, I'm trying to open it. A little bit heavy, ignore that. Okay, good. This look heavy. Let me open another simple drawing. Wow, the strength of it. Ignore. Good. I think this can move more faster. So the next thing I'll do is I'll come back to this other drawing I imported, select all. I'll make sure I've hover over everything, come back to contemporary, and then I'll paste it somewhere here. So the next thing, so this is what I have here. So we're first going to work with slab. So first thing I'm going to work with slab panels. So this is what I do. Let me show you from example. I want to have this first. Yeah, the slab layout. This is what I want to have first. No, at least I want to have this panel. So from this place I can get it. All I need to do is under home, on a layer you see turn off layer. So I've left click on this turn off layer and be touching this. Immediately I touch them, they disappear. Really, I touch them, they disappear. So I've taken out every other thing. So I'll right click on this, like I'll select this, copy selection, move this clean copy somewhere here, and I'll now turn on all layers. Good. If I go back, you see that everything is back. So now I have this clean copy. So you see all these columns that we're shooting out. If there's a wall in that direction, I'll just select them and move them. Let's hope there's a wall in this direction. That is why you need to know whether it's going to the wall. Select them and align them like this. Okay, so this is what we have here. I can select this and move it down. So in this one, this is a staircase. I want to delete it out. I'll pick line, draw line, just to show that. So in this you can just pick something, copy selection, bring it here, right? Staircase. Can rotate it. Like you can make it larger. It all depends on you. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on my slab. I should pick turn off layer. I want to first arrange my bottom reinforcement. So now I turn off this, turn off all this, turn off this, turn off anything that is not red. If I turn off this, it's going to affect my bottom reinforcement span. So I'll Ctrl Z, turn off this, turn off this, turn off this, turn off the columns. I'll copy this, copy selection, I'll move it somewhere here. There, I'll turn on all layers, is back. I could have turned off these two, but I didn't, so I'll just be selecting them and deleting. I don't need this here. You rearrange this, remove. I'll delete this. Let me just turn off this layer to simple. Click on it. Just turn off once. Move, copy selection, move it to one side. I can turn my layers back on and I can delete that one. Since this is what I actually want to work with, I'll move it to this side. Yes. Now begin to select all these and delete. Just select and delete to make your work clean. Move this side. This one is staircase room. So let's work on this. So you see that this very reinforcement, we are going to have 18 of them, spacing at 250 to this direction, and it is possible that you can select it, put your auto and straighten it out all to the end here. Anything that is going vertical to this point, you can delete it out. So this is going to go. This just make your work look more neat. This is going. So let's select, this is also going. Move. I can now select this. See how carefully I'm selecting and move it to this side. Yeah. Move it to this side. Great. This is coming down. Is also going. So above the reinforcements, the horizontal ones, the first one is 17, the second room is 7, and the third room is 16. So you can add that up. Get your calculator. 17 plus 7 plus 16, 40. So you can rename this one as 40 y12, while you delete any other thing. So this did now move, select it, make sure it's on auto, bring it down, move, let it stop here, escape. This is what we have. Yeah, so the whole of this one, you only have 2 reinforcements. You will take the whole of this one as one panel. Here we're going to have one panel here. So I'm going to delete this one. That will maintain. Here too is going to be one panel. We can select this and move it this side. Select this one and move it to this side. You can increase the size of these bulbs, 45, let's say 60, 80, depends if you like them big. So we have here. Yeah, you can even change the color if you want. Even the color of the writings you can change. make it look more appealing. We haven't worked this side, so this can be the last thing. Okay, so we still have another panel here I want to work on. This is going, can't have two of them. Delete. I have this one and this one on this very panel. Then we still have another panel here. Let's choose one of these. Let's make use of this 12 plus 15 plus 6. 12 plus 16 plus 6, 34. I'll have 34. So delete this. This will move to up here. Come to this point. So for the horizontal part, to the vertical part, maybe I can decide to use one of them. They are all 24. Choose one. Choose one. Move it to the center. Select and move it to the end. Then the rest are going to leave. This is leaving. Shift and select that. Oops. I erase this top and copy somewhere. Release. And put back. This red is not supposed to be so good. Don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need you. Okay. It's so good. Alright, move this up. Looking clean. See that your work is going to look easy. The reason why I pick this is if I pick alphabets or writings, they will tend to turn in the direction that they were imported in. So I'm matching from lines instead. Okay. So if you like, you make this one thicker, that it can be noticed. So what we have here. So you can see that what we imported from Prota has been changed to this simple. So just know that we're going to have just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panels. So the reinforcements are going to be just cut on this in these panels, and not small as Prota suggested. So we're done with our B1 and B2. The bottom reinforcement, so we'll move to top reinforcement. Click on save. Let me save as. Alright. Yeah, next time I can be able to. No. Is this so you can see this has been perfectly done. So the next thing we're going to do is the top reinforcement. So we'll still come to off layer. Now this thing is much harder when you don't know you don't know the right process. Spend so much time. Now let me Ctrl Z once. Yes, I have to delete these ones manually. Okay. No, Ctrl Z. I need them. Some people remove them, but I like putting these distances. So now copy them. Copy this. Copy selection. Drop it here. Then I can be able to turn on all layers. So if you go back, you see that it's still as rough as it was. Then I have this semi-finished one that I'm going to edit again. So Here now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'll select all these things and delete all the bottom reinforcements tags. Select all of them. I could have just turned off the layer, but if I turn off this rebar label will delete, so I don't want it to delete. That's the only disadvantage. I can delete that one, delete this one. I usually carry this like the whole length. I just show the whole length. The engineer knows the return, but sometimes punching the clock, punching the calculator to get this length is a bit hectic, so I just provide it. So like this one, there are two. Delete one. One, two, and delete one. I'll use some common sense. Like this one on this side, 17 plus 7 plus 16. 17 plus 7 plus 16. 40. I'll make this 40. And delete this. Change this and work. You can do more. 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9 plus 14. You can add this up. 20, that is 23. Yes, that's 23. And to have that, you can do more by doing all this. Make your work more neat. You can add up from here to up and do this last one. You can do by the sides. I select the two. I type J on my screen, they join, or you can select them and drag. 12, 15, 12, 15. Mostly the ones that have the same span, but since this one is shorter, I can also detail it as this longer one. Move it down. No. But if you delete something and you want to get, you can even come here and check. I have 6 here, I have 15, I have 12. 12 plus 6 plus 15. This is 3. Supposed to be 1 here. Okay, this is it. Very important one. Move it here so I can be looking at it. Have this. So in our next lecture, we are now going to work on beam details. We're done with slab. Work on beam detail. Thank you for watching.